Hey guys, sorry I didn't talk about this in class. Okay, so if you're a sophomore or junior, listen up. Uh, Next year, the main class that you should take is multivariable calculus. Please note that it is listed as two different one-semester classes. It's called multivariable calculus, and then the other class is called advanced topics. They're both honors classes. Anyway, it'll list it as two classes, but you hear everybody talk about it. They say, I'm taking multivariable calculus, I'm taking MVC. This is the main class that I would recommend you take. It builds on our class, of course. It's calculus with more variables. You need to know the stuff in our class. So if you've really struggled in our class this year, then I'd have a little bit of hesitation about taking this. But if you feel like you've been mildly successful, at least in this BC class, I would take this class. Okay. The other option, or in addition, is to take AP Statistics. Oh yeah, I was gonna say one more thing. MVC is not AP. That is the good thing about it. Okay, so it's still hard, it's still rigorous, but you don't have an AP exam at the end, and so there's a little bit more flexibility. It's a little bit less intense because of that. Another math option is AP Statistics. It is a college level statistics class. It's not algebra based as much, and so you're not going to see as much algebra, but it's really cool content. I think that all of you guys really could be successful in this class if you want to take it. It's great exposure. A lot of things in college require you to have some statistical understanding. Great class to take. Some of you guys have heard about this linear algebra class. What we're recommending now really is this class is just for sophomores, or those of you guys that are sophomores. After you take the multivariable calculus class, your senior year, you can take this linear algebra class. Okay, so none of us are going to take linear algebra next year. I wanted to bring up AMPS is going to potentially be a class again next year, Advanced Math Problem Solving. It is a cool class. It's kind of like a math teamy kind of class where you're kind of solving non-traditional math problems. You might just be like, hey, how would you solve a problem like this? And you'll talk about like cool, weird problems that are like very different than like algebra problems. They're just kind of like cool math problems. I also just wanted to bring up computer science classes. Definitely something you should keep on your radar. There are two main classes that don't require you to have taken any computer science before. One of them is called AP Computer Science Principles, and one of them is called AP Computer Science A. The Computer Science A one is the more traditional class. It's like you learn how to write programs. You learn how to make a program that does this. You learn how to make an algorithm that does that. Make a game. Make stuff more like traditional programming. It's a programming class. This class, you learn a little bit of programming, well, some programming, and then you also learn some other topics just about networks and the internet and some other things about computers. This class is a little bit more rigorous than this class. So the principles class is a little less rigorous than the APCSA. You can always take the principles class and take the APCSA second, but you don't have to do that. They have tests in these classes, but that's not the main focus. They're more project-based. Cool. Okay, I just wanted to say that because I have to say it during class. If you have questions about any of these things, definitely come talk to me. Well, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. You guys should take more than one math class. This is kind of your junior, senior year. It's kind of the time to say, like, no, I'm going to study math engineering in college. I like math and engineering. I want to take more than one math class rather than some other electives. So that's definitely something to consider. All right, that's all I want to say. Thank you.